Hey, Captain Chris Johnson here. Let's find out what's going on today. First of all, I'd like to, hopefully this works. I'm changing my position in the house so my internet works a lot better. I'd like to wish my buddy Hamp Sales and Theodore Williams a happy birthday today. You guys are old. All right. What's going on today? So there is one cancellation. That is the 2 o'clock UK. The Red Fern, the UK clan there, I call him. Red is on this crazy wedding with his wife and her friend of 50 years. They're having a blast. So he'll be back next week in full gear, I guarantee you that. But I'm wishing them the best. They're having a lot of fun, I know that. Hey, Judy Turner Miller. Oh, there's a Pabrita, if I said that right. Ahmed. Helen, what's happening, Helen? Tanya Onpassive. I'll never be able to pronounce your name, but I'm going to try sooner or later. Prethap, what's happening? Redfern. I was just talking about you, Red. I hope you're having a blast, man. Keep sending me those pictures. I love them. So what's going on today? Hamp, happy birthday. Happy birthday to Hamp and Theo again. Lystra, what's happening? Well, me and Lystra got this thing going on, but it's funny. She knows I love her to death. Judy Oliver. So let me get going what's going on today. So the 2 o'clock has been canceled because Red is tearing up with his wife having a blast. And then we're going to go right down to 6:30, which is Julie and Milo show. And oh my God, I forgot who she said was presenting. I know Milo's not going to be there. I'm going to help her out tonight. And then we'll go right into the 8:30 Hey show with Narelle Warcon and myself. We just got that link because last week we gave it up for Mr. Ash, which was really cool. The video from Ash from the Roundtable Monday is now in the back office under recorded webinars. It's just Ash talking. It's really cool. You got to check that out. What's up, Steve? Badrul, how you doing? Thomas, what's happening? Sharon, what's happening? So guys, I want to do just a quick live today. I wish my buddies happy birthday. If you do got a birthday, happy birthday to you. If you're sick, we're praying for you. I will ask for send out prayers to everyone that's dealing with this virus. I want to throw out a real big shout out to my buddy Marty, who I call my big brother. His grandkids came home with the COVID, so Marty is he's a little nervous. He's got his kids in rooms and walkie-talkies, but keep saying prayers for them. You know how much we all love Marty, and we always tease each other, but I got nothing but respect for him. So please say some prayers for them. Also, you can throw out prayers for everybody. I know I have my daughter's my daughter's boyfriend's mom and dad both came down with COVID. Say some prayers for them, and let's do this. But real quick, I just want to let you know, whoever's watching this, you can share anything you want up my Facebook, okay? One of our jobs as leadership is to help people build your teams, build your family, which I'll say, and passive. And passive is truly going to be the greatest thing that you ever come across. If you don't get in it, man, I kind of feel sorry. Well, I do feel sorry for you, but that's okay. You'll sign up as a reseller, and my phone is going crazy already. I do know the Canadian Suzanne DeVoe is having like 4 or 5 quick webinars. I forgot. I don't know what times they were, but I think she does like 4 of them on Wednesdays. If I get that information, I'll definitely share it out. She's a Canooker in the Canada area with James Bell and having fun. Best thing in the world right now to do is to check it out. Okay? You are not hurting anything by at least checking it out. You guys have seen my excitement, and I don't know how many founders. We got 920 some, maybe 30,000 plus founders right now, growing about 2,000 every day. It's simply something that you should at least check out. For everyone that's sitting on the fence, please check it out. I promise you that you will not regret it once you join. It is only $97, and then we're going to pay a subscription fee when we launch, so it's only the $97 right now. And that's it. That's pretty much all you got to do. When we say you don't have to do anything, that's it. You got to pay your taxes, but you're going to earn a residual income. Onpassive will storm the internet And like I said, we're not in competition with anybody. We're just the brand new kid on the block with lots of muscles, and we are gonna completely overtake everything on the internet. I can guarantee you that. A lot of you don't believe me, and that's okay. You don't have to believe me. Pretty soon we're gonna show you, and you're gonna say, "Wow, why didn't I listen to that big Captain Chris Johnson's big mouth all the time?" But I promise you this: at least check it out. You'll be amazed what it really is about. Brick and mortar, licensed and compliant in over 212 countries. We're definitely rocking this world just by word of mouth. When we launch to the world, you're going to see Onpassive everywhere. Okay, you are definitely going to see Onpassive everywhere, and then you're going to believe me. But that's okay that you don't believe me. You know, I just am sharing this every day with you to let you know that opportunity is there for you. All you really got to do is PM me or anyone that shares this video and ask them for an invite link. It's that simple. That's all we do. You fill out your name, your email, send it to GoFounders. GoFounders sends you another one back. You pay the $97, $102 with a credit card, and use a credit card. We have Cash App also, but it takes a little bit longer for Cash App. It's got to go through a different process, but use that credit card. Gift people if you have extra funds, and give people. All right, help them out. Every one of you got at least 20 people, I guarantee that you know, that need something like this. All right, help them out. Get them an account and surprise them later after we launch, because they will be surprised, and they're going to be taken care of for a very, 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 very long time through Onpassive, because Onpassive's not going anywhere. It's going to keep growing and growing and growing, and as it grows, so does your wallet, so does your lifestyle, so does all the people around you that you can help. Okay, there's many things that you can do with lots and lots of residual income to help people out. I talked about the Angels list yesterday for the first time in a couple weeks. I got 5 or 6 more. Antigua. I got another one in Nashville. I'm looking for every single state. Every single state. It doesn't matter how many people we get in each state. But PM me through my Facebook if you know me. You want to get on that Angels list. That's to fix and cure homelessness and many other things. I just posted something in the back office of a person that sent me they're an angel and what they're going to do. It's not just about fixing homelessness. It's about fixing everything. Theirs is fresh water for their little village there. So that's what it's all about. If you really listen to what I've been saying for the last, oh my God, almost year, it's really about helping people. That's what Ash Mafara is doing. He's helping people. He's sharing a dream that he had 3 years ago. He put it together. He got buildings. He got staff, the smartest people in the world building these products. And I will talk about Oh Bless, because honestly, I think the first thing you're going to hear, the second thing you're going to hear after Onpassive launches is all about Oh Bless and what it's going to do for every single country. That's why it's important for me to get all these angels in every country, every state, village. I don't care where you live. You can also email me through the back office, through my email. I got a couple today, added some more on there. The bigger we get this, the more we're going to be able to help. Not just in Michigan. We're going to start in Michigan, and once we get that down running, I will be calling on all you angels to start participating in your countries, your states, wherever you live. Let's get those people that are living under bridges, or maybe have a little hut or a tent. Let's get them back into homes. Let's help them out. Let's get food in their stomach. Let's get kids fresh water. And I guess I said this was going to be a quick live, but once I get going, and I haven't said hi to anybody, let me get down here. Oh, all the tough names. Mark Booth, what's happening? Mazarullah Islam Mahan, if I pronounce it right. Rajiv Das, what's happening? Seekender, Joe Castanya, Onpassive. Oh, Ty Young, thank you, Tanya. Ty Young will be doing the presentation on the Julie Milo. Hey, David Switzer, what's happening? Dave Graham, MD, Nadamara, what's happening? Ahmed, thank you for the prayers. Julie Wen is in the house. Peter Shore will probably be here. Hamp's birthday's today, so is Theodore's. But guys, trust me on this. You're not going to want to miss this, okay? You're not going to want to miss. We have every single kind of human being that's joined Onpassive. From a guy like me, a retired auto worker, to people that do janitorial work, to scientists and engineers of major companies. Okay, what does that tell you? We have doctors, we have lawyers, we have everyone. You don't have to be tech savvy because you don't have to do nothing. It's done for you. All right? Every country buys. There's people that work 2 or 3 weeks just to earn that $97 to get in this. I talk about Papua New Guinea all the time. Papua New Guinea is rocking and rolling, and you'd be amazed what they're doing to build that family up over there. Papua New Guinea, I think, is going to explode right after we launch because there's a lot of things that need to be fixed over there. No hospital, one hospital, don't know if there's doctors, medicine, so that's the kind of things we want to do. And the sad thing is, there's many parts of this world that are the same way, where kids are sick, they can't get to the healthcare facility they have in their country because it's 4 days of walking and traveling, and then when they get there, they're not even sure if there's a doctor there. We're going to change all that, folks. We are going to change that. Wouldn't you want to be part of something that's that positive? Turn off the news and join Onpassive and see what actual people are really going to do for this world and help people out. It's going to be the greatest thing ever. All right, I'm trying to think what else I got. Oh, Peter Shore, I apologize, 3 o'clock is the Arabic public webinar. I have that link. I have my link, Julie's link, and Peter Shore's link on. If you are Arab speaking, I have a lot of friends that are from the Middle East. Get on that link, check out Onpassive. Still working on Colombia, Lucci Royal. Hey. And tomorrow at 11 o'clock, I will be in Bangladesh with a bunch of my leadership friends and family. And we'll be supporting Bangladesh again. I'll talk about that more tomorrow, but my live might be either early or late tomorrow. We'll see. But get in this. It is coming. It's called Onpassive. Check out Onpassive.com if you want to know more information. And just do this. All right, you guys have a wonderful day. Let me see if I missed anyone's name down here. Let's see. Joe, Tanya, David, Dave. I think I got you off. If I missed you, I'll get you in the comments, guys. All right, you have a great day. Remember to get on those webinars. Reg is canceled today. Peter Shore, 3 o'clock. Link is posted below. Julie Milo, 6:30. Myself, 8:30. Hey, and Norel work on. And we are going to do some trivia tonight on the Hey Show. We're a little different. We're not going to be, once in a while we'll do a presentation. We want you to have fun. So come on, we're going to do some trivia and have a blast. Marty will be on there and whoever else wants it. We don't get a lot of people, but it's just people that want to have a little bit of fun. So check it out. You won't be sorry. I guarantee you'll laugh at something because me and Marty will start going at each other and it's hilarious. So thank God for Ash Mafara, what he's given us. And all you people that are on the fence or on the other side of the fence, come on, man, get in this. You're going to be blown away by what it's going to do for you. All right, I got to go. Bill Must. Hold on, I'm almost done. My short lives are really long. Bill Must, Timmy Johnson, John White. I've actually been talking to Timmy, John, and Bill on a daily basis. John White, we got him in the conversation. Really cool dude. Shout out to the Barbershop Quartet. Timmy Johnson, this is the greatest thing. He put his mom Bonnie on the phone. God love her. She's 90, I think 90 years old. I can't remember if it was 91 or 92, but she got on there and started talking to us, gave me a great compliment that she feels like I'm part of her family, and I love it. So Bonnie, God bless you. Thanks for giving us Timmy. John White, your wonderful words of wisdom, always fun. And Bill Mush, you know I love him to death. He's my best friend and my brother. They do amazing things for us. Don't forget him. Hopefully Bill will share his YouTube channel below here if he's listening, and help them out. All right, they support every one of us by doing these great videos. We pick names of different people to try to get more people out there, and it's pretty cool. So check out those YouTube channels. Check out Leadership Council for some posts that myself, Julie, Milo, I've been putting out that people have been sending us emails. We're trying to share those so more people can get it. And get on that angels list. Get on the angel list because you are going to do some wonderful things. All right, I got to go. I love you all. We'll see you later. Bye.